Hello viewers, welcome back to Hema's Walnut. In this video, I'm gonna make Tamilnadu special side dish beetroot poriyal. Poriyal can be served as a side vegetable dish with sambar rice combo, rasam rice combo, or even can be had with the chapatis. It makes a healthy side dish. Let's begin with the recipe. First, take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil made from raw sesame seeds. Keep flame to a low and add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle and also add 10 to 12 curry leaves and mix it well. Then add 2 chopped red chillies and also add 2 sliced onions and then give a mix. You can also add 1 pinch of hing. It is an optional. Here I have not added it. Adding it gives a good flavor. When the mixture of onions becomes into a light brown translucent, we can add grated coconut. I'm gonna add half cup of grated coconut into the poriyal and give a mix until it turns into a golden brown. When it turns into a golden brown, I'm gonna add 4 cups of chopped beetroot into the poriyal. Then you can add 2 tablespoons of salt according to your preference. And then give it a good mix. In this beetroot poriyal, there is no requirement to add turmeric powder or red chilli powder. If you added any other spices, the taste of the beetroot poriyal gets changed powder. If you added any other spices, the taste of the beetroot poriyal gets changed, may not be good enough to eat. Add 1/4 cup of water or add as much as required. Cover the pan with a lid. Let the beetroot cook on low to medium low flame. In between, do check and stir. If the water dries up, then you can add some water and then continue to cover and cook. The beetroot poriyal must be softened and cook it properly. Mix it well. Switch off the flame. You can garnish it with the coriander leaves and serve the beetroot poriyal hot. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.